Ladies and gentlemen, today is going to be very brief. Today is a very special day. It's a day of the youth. Actually, the world is celebrating World Youth Day today. And my appeal is this. Our youth are suffering. Let us not pretend. And ladies and gentlemen, let us be frank about this. Our youth are suffering and we all must take action on this matter. Our youth are highly unemployed. And those who are employed are underemployed. So I want us to take a very serious look into the matters of the youth. I want to appeal to both state and non-state actors. I want to appeal to all county governments, notably Kisumu County Government. I want to appeal to national government. I want to appeal to all state agencies and all state bodies that are funded from the national kitty. Kenyan constitution provided for 30% of government procurement opportunities. That is AGPO, Access to Government Procurement Opportunities Act. I want us to have full operation of this law because we have noted a very serious trend that our youth are suffering, our women are suffering, people living with disabilities are suffering. They do not have access to government procurement opportunities as provided for in the Constitution of Kenya. So I want to appeal to our youth, especially our youth. I want us to get organized. I want us to form groups. I want us to form farms, to register farms. I want us to form companies. I want you all to go and register for AGPO certifications. Get registered for special groups. I want us to claim our position because this matter of youth unemployment is bringing a lot of social evils. We have seen so many cases where our young men are taking their lives away. Our young men are committing suicide because of depression and occasioned by the ravages of our economy. So there's a problem, and I want to appeal to the county government of Kisumu. Let us enhance the small and micro enterprise. We all know that small and micro enterprise industry has nearly collapsed in Kisumu. And this is a very good industry that was employing a very huge population of people. Much as we are bringing development to this city, let us be mindful about the welfare of our youth and those who are involved in some of these enterprises. So to our youth, let us observe this day. I believe in your capacity. I believe in your wisdom as young men and women of this society. I believe you can bring a change. I believe you form the largest percentage of our population. I want our energies to be directed towards positive change. I'm advocating for positive change to our young people. Do not take your lives away because of financial problems. Come, let's work together. As your next MC of Nyalenda B, I'm going to ensure legislations are there to protect our special groups, our women, our young people, and people living with disabilities. I will ensure that procurement opportunities are equitably distributed. I will ensure that there's social justice around the welfare of our children. We know we are now having a lot of pregnancies that are arising out from our school-going children. These are social evils which we should not accept. We have to condemn all these kind of social evils. Let our young people be psychologically strong. Let us not lose hope. Hope is the last thing to lose. So for me, as your next MCA, I'm asking you all, let's come, join my group, let's work together. I'm a fierce defender of social justice. I'm a fierce defender of the welfare of the SMEs not just in Nyalenda, but in Kisumu City and Kisumu County as a whole. I'm asking county governments that are around us, Siaya, Migori, Homa Bay, and Kisumu, let us make Agpo a reality. Let us be mindful of our youth. Let us protect our children from a lot of destruction that we are seeing in the society today. You parents, you young people, you are going to have children, protect them. You leaders, I'm appealing to all leaders in Kisumu,